Hello everyone, my name is Chris and today I'm going to be talking about the the premier solid wood game center Family 7 Plus Mancala, as it's more correctly known. Or this product actually has 8 board games. It has chess, checkers, Chinese checkers, Backgammon, tic-tac-toe, Passout, Solitaire, and Mancala, which are illustrated here. Now I know this one is chess. This one, I'm pretty sure is Mancala. This one's Solitaire. This one's checkers. This one's Backgammon. This one's Chinese checkers. No, this one I think is Chinese checkers. This one's Passout. I don't know exactly which one is which, but I do know there's 8. It is ages 6 and plus, and children under 3 years old should not be around this game unsupervised, as they might possibly choke. Well, let's talk about the box first, shall we, since this is the first thing you will see. So it shows again that age rating, the recommended ages to be playing, the board games, and then the company logo with a nice catching title. And if we look at the side, it is pretty much the same thing. It is the same all throughout the side. And in the bottom, the bottom is kind of cool because it's a little bit different in that it actually tells you how to play the game, and it tells you a little bit of what the game is actually called and how to actually play the game a little bit. It shows right here, and then it tells you what's included. So that's a great thing. So if you don't know, you got a little bit educated. And now let's talk about just the box, what it's made of. It's made out of this very thin aluminum sheet with painted on. You know, I'd say it's pretty decent. It's done a lot. I've had this for 3 years about, and it's been doing well. I've actually moved 3 houses in those past 3 years, quite a lot, and there's obviously some signs of damage like this. Here's prevalent on the sides, all over, but like I said, for the years it's done and the amount of moving it's been through, I would say this is still pretty good. Definitely though, if you want to take better care of it while moving, wrap it. Don't leave it out like we did, because this is going to be the end result. It is definitely not made to last a very long time. And now how to actually open and get inside. To get inside, there are these 2 little aluminum pieces, and you just have to get it out. It's throughout the entire box around, so it doesn't matter where you catch onto it. Wherever you have a better grip, you just catch onto it. It's a little bit easier when your hands aren't full. Once you open it up, it pops open, and then you could just remove it and take it out, and now the holy prize. I do want to mention, when you first buy it, and it comes, it isn't this weird tilt. It doesn't have this weird tilt. It actually, everything is flat and organized. So that's the first thing I'll let you know. And now let's actually get onto the board. This is for chess, I'm pretty sure. And this is the other side. One thing I might add is, you could really tell this is really good wood, and the printing is fabulous on it. I've used this many times, and look at how good the printing is on it. It's like brand new. Comes with the second included board, which does have the second game, third game, and this is the 4th game. Very nice too, like it's a solid wood. It's made out of great wood. And then this is another one, which, if I can get this open, has this chess piece for the last game, and then this one. It's a little bit stained. It's been drawn on. Pardon that. My little children did that. And then here are the bags. It also does not come within these bags. It's put well together, better the bag. We just put these bags in there, so please do not think that's how it's gonna come with. It comes with a totally different bag that actually makes more sense. Here are the pieces. Let's take one of the pieces out. I can open it up. And it, another bag, yeah. Alright, stay with me here. And this is the original bag it comes with. This is the original bag. Very, as you can see, it's very well put. I like the plastic that it has. Quite a lot. It's done quite a lot. Let me put this back. Or let's just leave it. I'll just put it back later. It also comes with a piece of paper explaining the entire rules for the entire game set. This one's about checkers, if you need to know how to play checkers or Chinese checkers. Then on the back, it shows more. It's only in one language. And then here are the rest of the pieces. The dice come in a little Ziploc bag, a little bag. And the other pieces for checkers. Overall, the disadvantage I shall say is if you want to know how to play the game and you don't speak English, you're out of luck. This is only in English. There's no Spanish or no incorporation for any other language. That's one of the downsides. The other downside is the box. Like I said, if you want to have a nice box, you have to put more care than you normally would, I'd say, for other boxes, because this is the paint on this goes off way too easily, in my opinion. That should be another issue that should be fixed. Then another issue I would say are the pieces. They're well put, but after a while they also fade. I would put more effort into, you know, the quality, overall quality if I were them. That's the only bad side. Otherwise, I think it's a very solid board. 8 board games, so you'll never be bored anymore. Punny. Alright, well that was my review. Have a good day, everyone. Hopefully you got some insight.